Hi, welcome to the Cool SIS how-to videos. This video is for any user who wants to learn more about the data grid on Cool SIS. This includes sorting, filtering, printing, and exporting data on Cool SIS. The features that will be discussed on this video are not specific to any list. They can be used in any list on Cool SIS. To sort columns, simply click on a column to sort the list by its content. The first click will sort the list by the column's items in an ascending order. By clicking the same column again, you will sort the list by the column's items in a descending order. You can also sort a list by right-clicking on the column and selecting the type of sorting. On Cool SIS, all columns are resizable. You can relocate any columns by dragging them across. Now let's examine the filter option. You can filter lists by using the filter icon. A new row will appear above the list's columns. This is where you can enter your filter parameters. To activate the filter, you can either press Enter or click on the funnel icon on the side. You can hide the filter row by clicking on the filter icon. To remove the filter, remove all the filter parameters and press Enter, or click on the funnel icon. Cool SIS also features an advanced filter tool. The filter options on this tool are very detailed. By clicking on the plus button, you can add more parameters to your filter. You can click on Filter to activate your filter. To remove the filter, you must first remove all extra parameters you added and you must clear the value for the initial parameter. If you now press Filter, your whole list will appear again. More features can be found by clicking on the sub-menu arrow or by right-clicking on a column. Cool SIS also allows you to configure the sorting of any list. This feature lets you create your own custom sorting by adding, deleting, or copying different levels of sorting. To get rid of this sorting, you should right-click on one of the sorting columns and click Clear Sort. Cool SIS allows you to select which columns you want displayed. Another interesting feature is that you can group your list by the type of items in a column. So, for example, if the column you've selected is the grade group column, you can group your list by each grade group. This lets you expand or hide rows by each type of grade group. To undo this feature, you should click Ungroup. The Freeze option can be activated similarly by selecting the column you want. This feature will hold the column to the left and allow you to scroll sideways without moving the column you selected. For demonstration purposes, I will widen my columns to simulate a wider list. By having a column at the left, you can easily compare it to different columns. You can undo this option by clicking Unfreeze. The Cool SIS data grid allows you to export any list into Excel with the use of the Excel icon. Lists can also be refreshed with the refresh icon. This updates your list with information that was entered since you last clicked on the page. You can print out any list from Cool SIS by clicking on the print icon. When you first click icon, you will be taken to a print preview. To proceed to printing, you should then click on the print button. If you want to exit out of the print preview, make sure you don't exit out of your actual web browser, but rather click on the exit for the print preview. Certain lists allow you to switch between tile view and list view. Lists may also feature quick filters which are selected from a drop-down menu. By logging out of CoolSIS, your data grid customizations will be saved for the next time you log in to CoolSIS. Lastly, some of the page-specific icons can be accessed by right-clicking on a list. Thank you for watching, and that is how you can customize your data grid to fit your everyday needs.